Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm going to show you what is and how to develop a logic frame. Well, this is a tool of execution and order matrix. It got the following characteristics. Logical framework, it is a planning tool that allows structuring logically and systematically the activities to be developed and the results to be achieved through the project for the implementation strategies. This methodology was developed in 1969 for the planning of projects orientation through objective. It is frequently used by corporations, organizations internationally. When a project is developed with this methodology, is used traditionally in service design and different phases. The purpose of this tool is to provide a structure to the planning process and communicate essential information regarding the project. One of the most important things here is that common sense is the least common of all. That's why things that look logical many times don't happen that way. Okay, so logic frame is a traditional tool, a traditional methodology, and it's very straightforward to achieve a specific objective. Okay, so the matrix is the one that you are seeing in the screen right now. One of the most important things is the hierarchy of the objectives because you can develop this matrix many times in different ways. So the hierarchy of the objectives is very, very important. It's essential that you need to have goals, indicators that allow you to analyze if you achieve those goals or not. Also, the sources of verifications because I cannot say, yes, I achieved that. Okay, show me the indicators, show me the elements that evidence that. And in some cases, you will have assumptions because you don't have enough data to achieve and say that you reach that goal or not. So the first thing is that you need to have an objective of growth. It means that it will evolve through the process. But to evaluate this objective of growth, you need to have goals, indicators, and sources of verifications. Each objective has to have a purpose and needs to have a final situation. So it's extremely important that you analyze step by step and realize where are you going to focus each of those components. The results are very important because the results are the one that will allow you to see if you reach those goals, if your indicators are correct, and it's very important that you have reliable source of verification. For example, if you are developing a digital project and you are having Google's analytics, you know that you can rely on that. That is a believable source, so it's very important. Here you will have specific objectives that will allow you to specify tasks, and of course you need to mention all the actions. The actions are very, very, very important because are the ones that will show you how everything is developing. So this tool, it's very important when you want to develop a specific thing, a product or a service, and you want to develop quick and straightforward. So that is very, very important. The tool doesn't change too much, as you see, is not new at all, but it could work for a specific development. As a conclusion, we can say that this tool allows you to work by objective, is used transversally to the design thinking methodology, and is a complement very important for complex developments with many variables. The success of this tool in a project relies on being very descriptive and specific in each space and validate the information objectively with credible sources. So that's also very, very important. If you are gonna develop something very, very easy, it's not necessary that you use this, and you can use it complementary with the design thinking methodology. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Our Udemy courses are already available. In the description of this video you can find the link. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish and every Thursday a new video in English. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time.